All right, friends, here is the worst case scenario. What happens when they don't even give you the formula? They just give you a number sequence and they say, hey, find the 117th term. So I don't know why I picked that number. Most of you know me. It's one of my favorite numbers. So let's follow. I mean, we could make a nice long list if we want to and just figure out what the 117th term is. Or we could use a little hack and start with the first number. Use the common difference, and then how many jumps is it going to take from the first number to the 117th number? 116 jumps. So I'm going to cheat a little bit here. Watch this. I'm going to set these all up. Start at 5 plus 116 jumps. Start at 0 plus 116 jumps. Start at 350 plus 116 jumps. Start at, what is this weird number here? 29.95 plus 116 jumps. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's beautiful. That makes this stuff ridiculously easy. If I were a meaner teacher, I would make you write out the explicit formula and then use it. But come on, I'm not that bad of a guy. So here we go. So now we just got to take it times whatever the jumps are, whatever that common difference is. Okay. Now, careful. There may not be a common difference, so all this stuff would be for nothing. And if that ever happens, if you ever come across a situation where it's that mean, where they actually want you to find the 117th term, but there is no common difference, you would just say like NA or not available or can't find or it's not a sequence, so I can't do it here. There we go. So we're going from 5, so let's see, plus 6, plus 6, plus 6. Oh, it's easy. That's the common difference. 6. 6 is the common difference, okay? Look at this next one. Looks like we're just subtracting 3. Oh, minus 3. Excuse me, is the common difference. Okay. Throw a negative 3 in there. Okay. Start at 0, 116 jumps. There you go. I mean, if you still don't understand what I mean by jumps, the 117th number, if this was the first, okay, to go from the first one, to go from the first term to the 117th term would be 116 jumps. And that's the same for all 4 problems because I'm just picking that same number over and over. If that was a different problem, you just take 1 away. Okay, take 1 away. Looks like I'm losing 20. So negative 20. Okay. And then, oh my goodness, what are we doing? Are we losing like 0.14? I think so. Yeah, minus 1.4. Sorry, 0.14 minus 0.14 minus 0.14. Oops, sorry, the bell. Looks like we're losing 0.14. So, wish I gave myself some more room in there, but I'll squeeze it in there, 0.14. Okay, there we go. All set up. Super easy to figure out. Okay, once you understand the concept of what it means to find the whatever number term in the sequence, you can kind of hijack the explicit formula setup and you can find your answers in no time. So let's do the first one here really quick. So let's go 5 plus 116. 116 jumps, and each jump was 6. So 701. The 117th number in this sequence would be 701. Gross. That is a lot of numbers. I could make a spreadsheet really quick and figure that out, or I could just not really cheat, or I could just use my my intellect, my knowledge, my power, all of those fun things. We'll do the next one really quick. Start at 0 and then add 116 jumps. Each jump was a negative 3. Oop, glare. Negative 348. Okay. All these next 2 are set up, so I'm pretty sure you can figure those out pretty quick. Those are all on you. Okay, students, that's it. Figure out how many jumps, figure out what each jump is, and make sure you start at the first number. Okay, that's all I got. That makes those things very, very simple. We'll see you in class.